Hi, this is from K's Engineering. Today I'm basically changing one of my clients' housing, which was really in bad shape. Here you go. The whole thing was gone, so I'm changing. This is Samsung Galaxy 10, and I am changing everything back to a new housing. This is basically very interesting job, and here we go. Just started doing it. You have to be careful with these flexes, the battery flexes, and also you know and it should really be on the right place. um, and one has to be very careful when you put this thing in, because you know the motherboard could it could there could be a problem with the motherboard. So basically, this is what I've been trying to do this. I just got everything here. Now I'm putting off the camera here, the front camera, and we're going to put this is uh, the audio jack. It's going to go on its own place here. There we go. And I have a few screws that have been laid out, and I'm going to put these screws in. That's basically it. And this is what we specialize on. I hope you guys would like this video. If you have any problem with your Samsung phone or with your iPhone, or if you guys need to change the back glass of iPhone, don't hesitate. We do it here. We use the machine, laser machine, the freezing machines, and we do lamination. We do bubble. We take care of the bubbles too through the machine. So please do visit our shop. We are here at Aubrey, Texas, very close to 380 East, very conveniently located. Hope to see you soon, guys. Thank you.